Every drift, every decision made in a fraction of a second. This is a conversation between man and machine.
This is my first time coming to the super cool event.
Today we are at the Royal Enfield Gymkhana event. We got to experience our Royal Enfield bikes, the Hunter 350, the Guerrilla, the Himalayan and the Scram. Overall, it was a great experience and exploring their capabilities of doing things, maybe on the road and maybe on the off-road. It was all great experience.